love this video so much. Wait for it. Wasn't that just awesome? I mean, it just smells like, wow. This is part of my room. It's clean. If I show you over there, it's not clean, so I'm just not going to show you. But, oh, I gotta show you this, gotta show you this. My wall. I'm joking. This will haunt you forever. Yeah, you're scared. Hey guys, thanks for watching. The person who kind of inspired this video, more like kind of forced me to make it, is one of my, sorry my phone's buzzing and it's really annoying, is one of my best friends. Her name's Maddie. So, hey Maddie. Can't really make a heart, but love you.